Wait. Hey, bro. How are you, Marius, today?
Good.
High five me. All right. Today yours the first lesson, right?
5 seconds.
Hey, remember what I said? To don't be afraid. You do how many seconds in the water bubbles?
And it's only 5 seconds.
Okay. Show me 5-second bubbles, though. So slowly, crazy. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did 5-second bubbles?
Yeah.
Did you blow bubbles with your mouth?
Yeah.
Are you sure about it?
Yeah.
Show me one more time.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. It's super easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hey buddy, look at Mr. Sharky. Hello, Marius. How are you today?
Good.
Are you able to do bubbles 5 seconds without being afraid? Show me. Wow, you're very good, bro. Come on, give you a kiss. One more time, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. That's amazing, Marius.
Don't go for 5 seconds.
Okay, now let me tell you something. Listen, bro, listen.
My brother
Come
said
closer
no.
to me. Come closer. I show you something.
What?
You can do 5-second bubbles, and in the same time, you can open your hands like if you are a bird in the water.
Yeah, I can try. I'll show you.
Okay, you can try. Slowly. When you do it, you will fly, okay? Don't be afraid. You will not hit the ground. All right, take your time. Okay, you know what? Come on my legs. Come on my legs. It's easier if you're on my legs. Yeah, you put your belly on my legs. All right. Show me the bubbles, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, this is cool, man. You open your hands like this. You know what? You will do it on my hands, like this. Attends, let me go in the stairs with you. Over there. Yeah, it's slightly deeper, Just a little bit is enough. Okay, slowly, my friend. Now this
What's in the deep pool?
here is too deep. You cannot do it yet. But next time. Okay, now.
When I grow up, I can go there.
Open your hands like a bird and fly on my hands. No, look in the water when you fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Whoa, that was cool, man. Hey, high five. Listen, if you do good, I can remove my hand, you will still fly. I promise you will stay up. We try together? You start to fly and I remove my hands slowly, okay? Trust me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax, bro. Relax. You alright?
Yeah.
Nice.
People will have to
This-
go underwater.
You must relax. If you move so fast, it will not work. So if you want to learn how to fly, buddy, you have to relax better. Come, we try again. Open your both hands like a bird and slowly. That's right. Yes. I did not touch you. See? You can fly by yourself. Now listen. We try this way. Okay, look. You look on the front. You open your hands and go. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 seconds. High five, bro. Okay, again, bro.
My hands touching on the ground.
I know, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you open your hands, bro? Hey, bro. Open your hands. Show me again.
Okay, look.
Come here.
Go here. I can go here.
Yep. Show me again.
Look at this.
Blow the bubbles. Show me. Open. That was not open. Alright, buddy. Alright, open your hands slowly. Oh my god, did you do it? You did not touch the ground? Don't drink the water, remember it's 5-second bubbles. You cannot drink water. You blow the bubbles 5 seconds, you open your hand. But that was good. Let me try to put this underwater so I can look at you in the water. Yeah? You try here on the side. You show me nice. Okay. Put your goggle on. We look underwater together. Okay. And go. Alright. You did not fly. You must open your hands to fly.
Let me check the
If you touch the bottom, it's not the same than if you fly. Keep your hands up, open on the side, okay? Like a bird.
Like this.
Yes. No, but do the bubbles first and open your hands after. Exactly like this. High five. One more time. Show me one more time. That was good, bro. Wait, you forgot your goggle. Don't forget your goggle. Okay, buddy, come here. Put your goggle on. We do one more time, okay? You open your arms like a bird. Addy, don't touch the bottom. Just do the bubbles. You did it. You did it. Did you do it? You're the best. Come here, high five me. Awesome. Let's go again.
Three more times.
Put your goggle on your eyes.
I'll take 3 more times.
Yes. All right. Let's go. Stop. No splashy. And let's go. Wow, you can fly by yourself.
2 more times.
Why don't you try to fly from here to me? You fly like from where you are until me slowly. You go slowly underwater. And bubbles. You can grab my hand at the end. You alright?
Yes.
Hey, that was good. Let's go fly back. Fly back is also possible. Look, you open your hands. Listen, I tell you. You see where is the stairs right here? Huh? You open your hands and you go on the front here. Okay? Right, open your hands on the water. Don't touch the ground. Blow the bubbles and fly. Did you touch the ground? Touch the ground only at the end, the last stairs. We try again. Come here. So your hands must to touch only the last step. Okay? You all the way you fly up. Alright, we try again. Slowly, bro. Slowly. Open your hands and go. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, super good punch, man. That was brilliant. Poof. Oh, slowly, you will hurt yourself. There you go. I come here. You're a bit crazy, you know. Come here. Ay. Open your hands slowly and fly to me. Wow, slowly, bro, slowly. You must go slowly. You must go slowly. Hey. All right, let's go back together. Put your goggle on. And go. Hey, come here. Come, bro.
Underwater high five.
I know. Put your goggle on your eyes.
I need it underwater.
I know. Let's go, Bubbles. Show me. High five, bro.
Underwater, please.
Ah, okay, underwater. Slowly. You must fly again. Let's try again. All right. Put your head down, open your hands like a bird, and we fly together. I put you here. Oh, goggle on. Put your goggle. No, it's fine.
No.
You can fly to the end. I will help you. Ready? Open your arms.
Only my feet.
Yes. Ooh. Oh man, this is so cool. I think we should call your parents for them to see this. You know, it's amazing, bro.
Hey.
I'm serious. Alright, come here first. You're the best, man.
Hey.
First lesson and you can already fly, you know, and you are not able last time to even put your head in the water. That's cool. One more time. Open your arms slowly, feel you're flying. Yeah, you don't come here again. You don't have to touch the ground, remember? Just fly all the way to the end until you touch the last step. Come here.
I would like to remember.
Come here, I'm gonna record you underwater. I wanna see that. Relax, that was not flying. That was not flying. Blow the bubbles 5 seconds. You forgot. You must listen a bit. Listen. Okay, that's
I'm gonna get your shot now.
Yeah, I will get the shot after. Now, look at the last steps. Don't touch the ground, okay? was cool. Ali, come back for the last time. Come back here. Ali, open your arms like a bird and come to me. Slowly, slowly. Yeah, man, bro. Hey, that was amazing. You see?
Underwater high five next.
Underwater high five. Okay. High five. Cool. So now listen, to fly and to float, it's simple, huh? Just blow your bubbles 5 seconds and relax. You just need to open your arms. You're not going to touch the ground of the stairs, okay? The bottom of the pool you don't need to touch. You can stay up. That's cool, man. All right, I will see you next week. We will practice more.